What up, what up? It's your boy back with another one. Got another beautiful snowy day out here for you. It's gonna be snowing at least 5 to 10 out here, and the streets are pretty much empty. The only people that are out here are people that must be out here. I got my lovely wife and children out here today. I normally don't like to have them out here in extreme weather when it gets this bad, but we're just gonna stay around the neighborhood, so it should be pretty good. Some decent snow this time, I'm telling you. Normally I see the snow and I just can't help myself. I gotta get out there immediately so the snow's not too deep. Today we got about at least 2 inches on the ground already and more to come. I looked at the time and saw when it was going to end and tried to get out there kind of close to the ending time. You see that all that's out here are the big trucks. There's no cars out here because they're still waiting for somebody to come out here and plow these streets. Which Minnesota's usually good at. Yes, ma'am. Got some well-mannered kids back there now. Yep, I'm out here with Goodyear Wrangler Duratrax. Eating up the deep snow. Like I said, they're really good for deep snow, I think. I haven't really had too much icy situations, and besides the fact that there's only pretty much 40% tread on these, I haven't really been able to be a good judge on how they are for the ice. But for deep snow, I love them. I mean, I just plow right into the part that hasn't been driven yet and see nothing. Just killing it. How you doing, little girl?
She's putting her finger in the straw of her little
Oh, okay.
water bottle thing.
Well, maybe we'll do a quick cruise around the lake to see if there's anybody stuck. The tow ropes back there, we'll pull them out. Otherwise, we'll just kind of wave as we drive by, I guess. Like I always tell everybody, you know, you should always, if you live in these states, if you live in Minnesota for sure, but if you live in these states that it snows, you should always have at least one winter weather vehicle or extreme weather vehicle in your arsenal or in your possession. I mean, look at this stuff out here. A car would make it maybe a block without getting stuck at the most. Got the bigger tires, higher off the ground, just what you need to get through this stuff. And my wipers are not going to go automatically for some reason. But yeah, you know how I do it. Every time it comes out here in snow, I love to be out here in it. Especially before the plows hit. Plows kind of ruin your boy's fun here. Looks like they came through this middle street right here because it's pretty low. See how this street's kind of untouched. Let's see how the river road is. East Shore Drive. Looks like they plowed it. Oh, maybe not. Okay. It gets kind of deep on the sides. Maybe they didn't plow it. Woo! Don't worry, I'll plow it for you with these tires. Look at that stuff fly off the sides. Oh, there's a car. Nice. I wonder how they're doing out here. You just usually don't see them. Got the S-curve. Can the tires handle it? I like driving videos though, you know, you punch it up on your computer, you sit down, and you're almost like you're driving with the person, you know? So let me do all... What was that? Let me do all the driving, and you can just sit back and relax. It's almost like you're in the passenger seat. Woo! I love that muffler delete. That thing sounds so good. Just killing it. We should try to find a steep hill. There's a steep hill by...
I hope you guys like this video because I'm so sorry. My hands are not steady. So.
Sorry.
I apologize.
It'll be alright. It's not the worst thing. Because on this camera, we shoot without any editing. Let's see if I can whip. Nope. All-wheel drive will not let me. Alright, then we'll just go. Bet you if I snapped your rear wheel, I would have just turned right around. Alright, we're back going the other way. We're going to try to find a big hill, see if we can make it up. There's one closer to the house, so we'll head on back over there and see if we can make it. Ooh, this is fun. The snow is deep. Got at least 3 to 4 on the ground now over here, especially in the undriven parts. I don't know how that car made it over here. Well, I know how he did it. He stayed in the parts that were driven on already. That's how he did it. But yeah.
Baby shark.
Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark, doo doo. No. No doo doo. She said no doo doo. No doo doo. That Toyota 4Runner's plowing some stuff in front of us. See, and this is why we don't need to put music we don't own on this channel, because we just let the kids sing. No copyright problems here. This is the original piece that the kids wrote. They've never heard this song before, ever, I swear. Mommy doo doo doo. Alright, we're gonna get to Sophia up here and hit this hill. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Let's plow up this hill. Oh. Alright, completely unplowed street. Let's see if I can get it. Alright, let's get on that side that hasn't been driven on too. Oh yeah. Fly up this dang hill like nobody's business. Stopped pretty good too, actually. I thought we were gonna slide all up in the neighbor's yard possibly, but no. Untapped street. I love it. Look at this. The only people that have been on the street is a dog. Oh no, there's some tire tracks. I'd say it's pretty fun. Go around the block one more time, shoot. Hope another car doesn't come down the street. Boom! This thing should be good. Maybe I should try going up this hill, actually. You think this hill's worse?
I don't know. It's got more of a curve.
Yeah. We'll try to go up it. Anyways, why not? Woo! Yeah, brakes are pretty good. I mean, some people have to go out to the country and get off road and all that stuff for all this deep snow. In Minnesota, we just go outside and start driving normally. Alright, let's try this street here. Nobody here, good, safe. Alright, let's hit it. Watch for children. I'm pretty sure they're not going to be out today. Look at that snow line on the side. Yeah, that one wasn't very impressive. Alright, we'll go up the other one more time. Wow, look at my tracks. They're all the way down to the ground, if you can see that.
Step to windshield wipers.
Oh, that man.
Oh wow.
It's okay. Let's try going up slow, see what happens. No, still. Uh-oh, I slipped a little bit. I felt it. I slipped for like a second. Yeah, what can I say? I mean, look at this thing flying now. Maybe it thinks the ice built up on the windshield wipers is snow. I don't know. These are the self-sensing ones that... Who are you talking to? Yeah. This is so fun. Alright, well, we're going to call it a day on this one. If you like that video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. My wipers are going crazy. I'm going to have to jump out and get some ice off them or something. But until next time, I will catch you guys later. Peace.